Good evening, everyone.
Good evening,
Good
sir.
evening,
Good
sir.
evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Good
Good
evening.
evening, sir.
Good evening. Happy to see you all are there on time. 5:15. So today we have to solve the question on single columnar cash book. Okay. Let us briefly revise all the points. So let's start with illustration 1. All of you take out illustration 1 of your textbook. Did you all take out illustration 1?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, I read the question and you all will make the formats for which I will give you 2 minutes time, not 1 minute, but 2 minutes time because the format is lengthy. Okay, what will you do? All of you do? Fold the page and get the middle part. Do you all remember that? Yesterday I told you. Fold the page of your notebook and get the
Yes.
middle part.
Yes.
Middle part you'll make 2 lines very close to each other or you make 1 thick line. Okay. All of you can see this and remember this. In the middle, either you'll make 2 lines close to each other or a thick line. Left side will be the debit, right side will be the credit, and there are 5 columns on each of the side. Which 5 columns? Date, particulars, receipt number, LF number, and amount. The other side, instead of receipt, will be particulars, payment, and instead of receipt number, it will be payment, that is voucher number. Okay. See the question. Prepare a simple cash book. Can you all see that? Simple cash book means
Single.
means
Only cash column is there.
yes, single columnar.
Single.
Okay, only cash column. Simple cash book means single columnar, only cash column. Rosodin में कौन था? Who's in the kitchen?
Rashi.
Rashi is there.
Rashi.
Lots of noise of utensils are coming. Please don't remove any chanas from the cooker, okay? Chalo. Prepare simple cash book from the following transactions of Rajesh Bhai for February 2015. So all of you make this format. I'll give you 2 minutes for this. Can you all see this? Simple cash book of not Rashi Ben, Rajesh Bhai. Okay, it is Rajesh Bhai, not Rashi Ben. Simple cash book of Rajesh Bhai for February 2015. And as we discussed the format yesterday, you all can see date, particulars, receipt number, LF number, amount. Date, particulars, payment, voucher number, LF number, and amount. Also, debit side, give the heading DR, means left side, and at the extreme corner on the right side, write CR. Without fail, DR, CR must be written, okay? Debit and credit. 2 minutes time, start fast. Your time starts now. Seven, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Have you all done the formats?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, raise your hand who is still doing it, by the way. Raise your hand who is still doing it, or shall we proceed with the question? All of you have done it? Okay. Chalo, let's proceed. Okay. Look at the first transaction. See, total 1 to 28 transactions are there. Up till transaction 9, I will explain you. Up till which transaction I will explain you?
9.
9.
All the other transactions you will explain to me. Okay, till 9th date, I will explain you. And after that, I will ask you. After that, all the remaining transactions, you have to explain me how will we record it. Okay, let's do it. And I will be explaining it both the ways. First with the help of journal entry also, and then directly identifying receipt and payment also. 1st February, cash on hand rupees 5,000. So all of you write down in date column one time heading February. 1st February, write down. Cash on hand means you all write to balance brought down. What will you write to balance?
Brought down.
B/D is the short form of brought down, or you can also write B/F. And keep it in mind, in accountancy, B/F means brought forward. In accountancy, B/F means brought
Forward.
forward. Okay, no other meaning of BF, brought forward. Keep it in mind. So to balance brought down, what is the amount of opening cash balance you all can see here?
5,000.
5,000. So in amount column, all of you write 5,000. Okay, as I made you write yesterday that opening balance will always be debit amount. So debit side 5,000. Any doubts with this?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Raise your hand who wants me to explain the first entry again. Are the things clearly visible on your screens, mobile phones?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Next. Goods of rupees 3,000 sold to Geeta for cash. Now I'll explain it first with the help of journal entry, then direct method. Goods of 3,000 sold to Geeta for cash. So goods are sold. Cash comes in debit. What comes in cash account debit? Any doubt in that?
No.
Cash comes in debit. What comes in cash account debit? Goods goes out credit. What goes out to sales account? Any doubts in this?
No.
All
No,
are
no.
the journal entry.
Yes.
Now, as I said to you the rule yesterday, cash account is debited means in cash book we will write on debit side. Any doubts in this? Cash account is debited, so in cash book we will write on debit side. Write down the date is 3. Okay, all of you can see the date is 3rd, and write the name of opposite account in the journal entry. What is the name of opposite account to cash account?
To sales
To
account.
sales
To
account.
sales account. So in particulars, all of you write to sales account, and in amount column, what is the value of goods sold? 3,000 rupees. Can you all see that?
Yes.
So in amount column, all of you will write 3,000. Any doubts with this?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, I repeat it one more time. Cash comes in debit. What comes in cash account debit? Goods goes out credit. What goes out to sales account? Cash account debit. So in cash book we will write on debit side. Date is 3rd, and we'll write the name of opposite account, which is to sales account. So in particulars we will write to sales account. Amount is 3,000. Any confusions?
No.
No.
Dhruvi from Pratap Nagar, please unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Dhruvi, did you understand this journal entry beta? Cash account debit to sales?
यस सर बट फर्स्ट समझ में नहीं आया
क्या कह रहे हैं?
फर्स्ट नहीं समझ आ रहा
ये फर्स्ट वाला
यस सर
cash on hand.
यस सर
See this, I made you write yesterday. Can you read this loudly? First note beta.
opening cash balance will always be recorded on debit side of
That is receipt side. So every question you'll do this. Whatever is the opening cash balance, na, that will always come on the debit side. Did you understand this? Is the second one clear, Dhruvi?
यस सर
Okay. Rajvi, unmute yourself. We don't have to write anything else. This is sufficient what we have written. Okay, Rajvi? You're not audible. Rajvi, you're not audible. Acha, now every one of you tell me one thing. When we sell the goods, all of you tell me one thing. When we sell the goods, do we receive the money or we have to pay the money?
Receive the money.
Receive the money.
Receive the money.
If we sell the goods, then we will receive the money. Is it right?
Yes.
Yes.
So we are receiving the money, so it will come on receipt side. We are receiving the money, so it will come on which side?
Receipt.
Receipt
side.
side.
Debit side. And what for are we receiving the money? For selling of goods. So you'll write to sales account. This is the direct method. Any doubts with this?
No.
No,
Do
sir.
the journal
No,
entry
sir.
and the direct method also. Okay, direct method is easier, but we are doing with journal entry so that journal entry chapter also gets revised and it will help you in ledger and posting chapter also. Look at the fifth one now. As I said, till 9 I will explain you. Goods of rupees 2000 purchased from Amit for cash. So goods
Purchase.
comes
Credit side.
Comes in.
Comes in.
debit what?
Comes in.
Comes in the purchase account.
Debit.
Cash
Goes
Credit.
out.
Goes
goes
out.
out.
Credit what
Credit
goes
what?
out.
Goes
What
out.
goes out?
Cash
Account.
Okay, goods comes in debit, what comes in purchase account debit, cash goes out, credit what goes out to cash account. Anyone who did not understand this journal entry? All are clear? Now tell me,
Yes.
now tell me in this journal entry is cash account debited or credited?
Credited.
Credited.
So in cash book will we write on debit side or credit side?
Credit side.
Credit side.
Raise your hand who did not understand this. मम्मी को बोलो झगड़ा कम करे बेटा गौरव वर्मा वर्मा yes I repeat to cash account is credited so in cash book we will write on credit side. Okay, now all of you write down in credit side the date is 5th. All of you can see that the date is 5.
Yes.
Now what is the name of the opposite account?
Purchase account.
Purchase account. In the journal entry purchase account debit to cash, so opposite to cash what is the name of the account? Can you all see? Purchase account.
Purchase
Other account. But
Yes.
what did I tell you yesterday? Credit side you will begin with the word buy. Credit side you will begin with which word?
Buy.
Buy.
BY buy, not BYE. Okay, BY buy. Buy will be BY buy. Buy opposite account purchases account. And amount. What is the amount?
2000.
2000 rupees. All of you can see that amount is 2000. So 2000. Now tell me one thing. If we buy the goods, if we purchase the goods, do we receive the money or we have to pay the money?
Pay the money.
Pay the money.
Pay the money, so it comes on payment side. And we are paying money for purchase of goods, so we'll write by purchases account. Are both the methods clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Raise your hand who wants me to explain again. Without any hesitation, raise your hand who wants me to explain it again. Dhwani from Pratap Nagar, unmute yourself. Dhwani from Pratap Nagar, unmute yourself. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
See, Dhwani. Journal entry, goods comes in debit, what comes in purchase account debit, cash goes out, credit what goes out to cash account. Is the journal entry clear?
Yes, sir.
Now see in the journal entry purchase we have debited but cash we have credited. Can you see that?
Yes, sir.
Since we have credited cash account in cash book you will write on credit side.
Okay.
Okay, so in cash book we have written on credit side. What is the date of the transaction? 5. Okay.
Okay.
Dhwani? Now in particulars you write the name of opposite account. Okay, in particulars you write the name of.
Opposite account.
So in this journal entry opposite to cash, which account did we debit?
Purchase account.
So in particulars you write by purchases account, opposite accounts name.
Okay, sir.
And amount is 2000. Dhwani, if we purchase goods, do we receive the money or we have to pay the money?
Pay the money.
So it will come on payment side. Did you understand this?
Yes, sir.
And for what thing we are paying the money? For purchase of goods, so you'll write by purchases account. Either of the ways you can do it. Either you can identify the money is received or the money is paid. If the money is received, write on receipt side. The money is paid, write on payment side. And second method is do it with the journal entry. In the journal entry, if cash is debited, write on debit side of cash book. If cash is credited, write on credit side of cash book. And in the particulars column, write the name of opposite account. Do you want me to still explain it again, Dhwani?
No, sir.
Sure you are clear?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Lower your hands. Raise your hand who is still not clear and want me to explain it again without any hesitation. Raise your hand. I'll explain it one more time. So is everyone clear with it?
Yes.
Okay. Let's proceed further. Fifth one is done. Seventh. Cash 5,000 brought in the business as more funds are required in the business. So what will be the journal entry?
Cash comes in.
Cash
Cash
comes
comes
in.
in.
Debit what comes
Cash
in
comes
cash
in.
account? Debit. And second effect, owner is bringing the money in the business. So
Capital
Capital
account.
account.
Capital account. The
owner
giver,
is the giver, credit the giver to
credit the giver affect capital account.
Right now, being the first question, I'm writing the entries. Next question onwards, we'll do it orally only. Means orally, we can imagine whether cash is debited or credited, right? So,
Yes.
in this journal entry, is cash account debited or credited?
Debited.
Debited. Debited.
Debited. So, where should we write it in cash book?
Debit side.
Debit side.
Debit
side.
In the journal entry, cash account is debited, so we'll write it in cash book on debit side. What is the date of the transaction?
7.
7. So all of you write down the date is 7. Now in the journal entry, what is the name of account opposite to capital account? Sorry, opposite account to cash account. What is the name of the account?
to
Capital
capital.
To
account.
capital account.
Yeah, to capital account. So in particulars, all of you will write opposite account to capital account. And what is the amount brought by the owner in the business?
5,000.
5,000.
5,000. All of you can see here 5,000 is brought in the business. So in amount column, we will write 5,000. Okay. Now tell me, if owner brings the money in the business, did we study that owner and business are separate or not?
Yes.
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 Owner and business both are separate people and both are separate identities. See from business point of view, if owner brings the money in the business, are you receiving the money or paying the money?
Receiving.
Receiving.
Okay, not paying. Owner is paying. Better see from business point of view. Owner is bringing the money in the business. So is the business receiving the money or paying the money?
Receiving.
Receiving the money. So it will come on receipts. And who is bringing? Owner. So in particulars, we'll write to capital account.
Account.
Is both the methods clear, everyone?
Yes.
Yes.
What is
Yes, sir.
what is the benefit of doing with journal entry? You will not make any single mistake if your journal entries are clear. Not a single mistake will occur if your journal entries are completely clear. Okay, and in many times people make mistake in writing in particulars. What mistake I'll tell you? Like, can you see in transaction number 3, name of Geeta is given?
Yes.
Yes.
So many people make mistake, instead of to sales account, they write to Geeta account. If they do it without journal entry. Okay. But if you do it with journal entry, then these kind of mistakes of writing the name of accounts will never arise. Got it, everyone?
Yes.
Now, one more last to go from my side, then you have to explain it to me. Will you all be able to explain after the 9th?
Yes,
Yes.
sir. Sir.
Yes, sir.
Fantastic.
Yes.
9th, insurance premium paid 800. So insurance premium is an
Expense.
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 debit all expenses and
Losses.
Losses.
so insurance premium account debit with 800. Cash
Yes. Goes out.
Goes out.
Credit what?
Credit what goes
Goes
out.
out.
Cash. Now in the
Cash
journal
account
entry,
credit.
cash account is debited or credited?
Credited.
Credited.
Credited. So in cash book we will write on
Credit side.
Payment.
side.
Okay, what is the date on the credit side? We'll write.
9.
9.
What is the name of opposite account? We will write.
Insurance.
Insurance.
Yes, all of you can see insurance premium is the name of opposite account. So credit side will begin with the word by insurance premium account. And what is the amount?
800.
800.
Now all of you can underline here the word paid. Can you see the word paid is given?
Yes.
Paid is given. So is the money received or paid? Paid word is already given. So money is received or paid?
Paid.
Clearly money is paid means it should come on which side?
Payment.
Payment side.
Payment side.
In
Sorry.
particulars, for what reason are you paying?
Insurance.
Insurance. In particulars you write by insurance. Is that clear, everyone?
Yes.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Raise your hand who wants me to explain it again, the 9th transaction. Any one of you? Chalo, so I'll start asking now. 10th one I am reading. Okay, first you will tell me journal entry, then you will tell me the effect in cash book. Furniture of 4,000 purchased from Ganesh Furniture Mart, but for cash. It's a cash transaction. We have not purchased on credit. Okay. Furniture of 4,000 purchased from Ganesh Furniture Mart. Harry Pratap Nagar.
Hello, sir.
Yes, Harry. Journal entry.
Sir, what comes in furniture? मतलब furniture account debit, फिर cash account credit.
Yes, furniture comes in debit. What comes in furniture account debit? Cash goes out, credit what goes out to cash account. Yes, next. Where will we record it? Harry.
Hello. हाँ सर, पेमेंट साइड.
Why?
सर क्योंकि हम कैश दे रहे हैं ना, तो पे किया हमने, उधर लिखा है कि
Yes. Cash is credited in the journal entry. So in cash book, we will write on credit
पेमेंट साइड.
side. Credit side. What is the date I should record, Harry?
10th.
10. In particulars, what should I write?
सर उसका अपोजिट फर्नीचर है, तो बाय फर्नीचर अकाउंट.
Yes, opposite account is furniture. So all of you write by furniture account and amount is
4,000.
4,000. Okay. See that all of you don't write by Ganesh Furniture Mart account. That's why we pass the journal entry so that you don't make the mistake in writing in particulars. Now all of you tell me, if we are purchasing the furniture, then will we receive the money or we have to pay the money?
Pay the
Pay
money.
the money.
Pay the money.
Pay
So
the money.
on payment
Pay.
side. And we are paying it for purchase of furniture, so we'll write by furniture. Okay? Purchase word is used only for goods. Do you all remember that?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
We are purchasing furniture, not goods, so we have to write the name of the asset furniture. Raise your hand who is not clear with the 10th transaction. All are clear with the 10th transaction? Yes, Richita. Okay, you are clear. Maybe for the next answer you are raising the hand. Okay. Look at 12th. Rupees 1,500 received towards commission and 1,200 paid towards brokerage. Two journal entries will come for this. So two people can participate in this. First, Bhumi from Subhanpura. Yes, tell me, Bhumi.
Yes,
For this,
sir.
tell me the entry.
1,500 received towards cash comes in. Debit what comes. Debit what comes in of a cash account.
Cash account debit.
Brokerage is an expense.
What is commission if we are receiving it?
Commission.
Income.
Income. Commission is an income. What is the rule for that?
Debit all income. Debit all income and loss.
Credit all incomes and gains
Loss,
to
gains.
commission account. Okay. Cash comes
Yes.
in, debit what comes in cash account debit, and commission is an income. Credit all incomes and gains to commission account. Now tell me, where will be recorded in cash book?
Credit side.
Bhumi, is cash debited or credited?
Cash debited.
So we have to write on debit side. Since cash is debited, you'll write it in cash book on debit side, same side. Did you understand this?
Okay.
Okay. What is the date I should write on the debit side?
12.
12. What will I write in particulars?
To commission account.
Name of opposite account, that is to commission account. And amount column?
Amount 1,500.
1,500. Bhumi, can you see the word received is clearly given?
Yes.
So it will come on receipt side.
Okay.
Received means it will come on receipts and we have received for commission. So in particulars, you write to commission account. Is everyone clear with this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sarjita Patel, Pratap Nagar. Tell me the second part's journal entry.
Brokerage account to cash account.
Yes, brokerage to cash. Just 1 minute. No? Something has gone wrong. The pen is not working. I don't know why. Just 1 minute, everyone.
Account to cash account.
Yes, brokerage is an expense. Debit all expenses and losses. So brokerage account debit. cash goes out, credit what goes out to cash account. Now where will be recorded in cash book?
For payment side,
Why?
sir, because your paid word is given.
Paid word is given, that is the direct method, but from the journal entry, can you tell me why payment side?
Sir, because cash goes out.
Sarjita, in the journal entry, is cash account debited or credited?
Credit.
So we'll write in cash book on credit side. Did you understand? Sarjita?
Yes, sir.
Cash is credited in the journal entry, so we will write in cash book on credit side. That's the logic from journal entry. Okay. What is the date? Date is 12. What is the name of opposite account you'll write by?
Brokerage account.
Brokerage account. And amount?
1200.
1200. Okay. Otherwise, also all of you can see that the word paid is given, so it will come on payment side. And since we are paying for brokerage, we will write by brokerage account. Is everyone clear with this?
Yes, sir.
Anyone having any doubt in it? Okay, next. Dhruv Upadhyay. Tell me the 14th.
No, sir.
3,000 received from Mahesh towards receivable.
Yes, sir. So what comes in? Cash comes in, and Mahesh is the giver. So Mahesh account. Yeah.
Yes, cash comes in, debit what comes in, cash account debit. Mahesh is the giver, credit the giver to Mahesh account. Now, where will I record it in cash book?
In debit side.
Why?
So because cash comes in, it is an income.
See, you must say in the journal entry, cash is debited, so we will write in cash book on debit side.
Okay.
Okay, in the journal entry, cash is debited, so we'll write in cash book on debit side. What is the date?
14.
14. What is the name of account? We'll write in particulars. Opposite account to Mahesh account. Okay, in particulars, you write the opposite account to Mahesh account. Amount, column, what amount? Upadhyay. 3,000. Amount column, we will have 3,000. Okay, Dhruv Upadhyay, you muted yourself. Otherwise, also all of you tell me, is it clearly given the word received or not?
Yes.
So receipt means it will come on receipt side, and we are receiving from Mahesh. So in particulars, we will write to Mahesh account. Anyone having any doubt in 14?
No, sir.
Okay. Now next one. I want some more people to try, those who are not raising the hands. Okay. Dhan Lakshmi from Pratapnagar, unmute yourself. Dhan Lakshmi from Pratapnagar, unmute yourself. Do these people never participate in any classes? They are not unmuting also. Hinal Prajapati from Pratapnagar, unmute yourself. Hinal Prajapati from Pratapnagar, unmute yourself. Okay, Dhruvi from Pratapnagar, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Tell me. Salary 1,000 and freight rupees 200 paid. What will be the journal entry?
Sir, salary is expense, so salary account debit and what goes out to cash account.
We can pass combined entry. Salary is an expense, debit all expenses and losses. Salary account debit. Freight is an expense, debit all expenses and losses. Freight account debit. Cash goes out, credit what goes out to cash account. Now where will be recorded in cash book?
Sir, in repayment side.
Why?
Sir, क्योंकि debit credit किया है ना cash.
Yes, in the journal entry, cash account is credited. So we will write it in cash book on credit side. What is the date I should write?
16.
16. Two entries we will have to make for two opposite accounts. by
salary account.
first is opposite account by salary account. What is the amount of salary?
1,000.
1,000. Then next again same date 16. What is the other account? By
By freight account.
freight account. And what is the amount of freight?
200.
Otherwise also, can you all see that the word paid is given, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Paid word is given means it will come on payment side. Any doubts with this?
No.
No, sir.
Next, 18th one. Kunj Sharma from Subhanpura, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Tell me. 3,000 paid to Prakriti towards an old debt. What will be the journal entry for this?
Prakriti is the receiver, debit the receiver, Prakriti account debit, cash goes out, credit what goes out to cash account.
Very good. Prakriti is the receiver, debit the receiver, Prakriti account debit, cash goes out, credit what goes out to cash account. Now, where will be recorded in cash book?
Credit side,
Why?
because the cash account is credited.
Because cash account is credited in cash book, it will come on credit side. What should I write in the credit side in date column?
18,
18. Particulars column?
a name of opposite account by Prakriti account.
Yes, name of opposite account, that is by Prakriti account. And amount column?
3,000.
3,000. Very good. Correct. By Prakriti account, amount will be 3,000. Otherwise also all of you can see the word paid is given in the transaction. Every one of you.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So since the word paid is given, it will come on payment side. Now 20th transaction. Mansi from Subhanpura, Mansi Patil.
Yes, sir.
Machinery purchase for business rupees 2,000.
Machinery comes in, debit what comes in, machinery account debit, cash goes out, credit what goes out, cash account credit.
Very good. Machinery comes in, debit what comes in, machinery account debit, cash goes out. Sorry, there was a call in between. Just a minute. Huh? Let me put it off. Machinery comes in, debit what comes in, machinery account debit, cash goes out, credit what goes out to cash account. Now, where will be recorded in cash book, Mansi?
Credit side.
Why?
Because we have a, because cash account is credited.
Very good. Because cash account is credited, we will write in cash book on credit side. What is the date I should write on the credit side?
20.
20. Name of opposite account?
By machinery account.
By machinery account. An amount?
2,000.
2,000. Very good. Correct. Now all of you tell me, if we purchase machinery, then will we receive the money or we have to pay the money?
Pay them.
Purchase machinery, then we have to pay the money. So it will come on payment side. Is everyone clear with this?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Very good. Next transaction. Now I want someone from Pratap Nagar. Bhargav from Pratap Nagar, unmute yourself. Bhargav Mudgal. Darshan from Pratap Nagar, unmute yourself. Darshan. In Kamal sir's lecture also these people don't answer. Dev Trivedi, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Dev Trivedi. As more funds are required in the business, 10,000 is borrowed as loan bearing 10% rate of interest from Ramesh Bhai. Tell me the journal entry for this, Dev.
Sir, cash account debit.
Cash comes in, debit what comes in, cash account debit and
To capital account.
no, see we have borrowed loan. So Ramesh Bhai is the giver, credit the giver to 10% Ramesh Bhai's loan account. When we borrow the loan, the name of account is loan account. Okay, Dev? Dev, is that clear?
Yes, sir.
So cash comes in, debit what comes in, cash account debit, Ramesh Bhai is the giver, credit the giver to 10% Ramesh Bhai's loan account. Now Dev, where will we record it in cash book? Dev, where will we record it in the cash book?
Sir, on receipt side.
Why? Tell me from the journal entry why.
Sir, because cash is debited.
Very good. Because cash account is debited, so in cash book we will write on debit side. Now debit side, what is the date I should record?
To Ramesh Bhai account.
Date. Tell me the date.
Date 23.
Date is 23. Very good. In particulars, opposite account to Ramesh Bhai account. An amount, not Ramesh Bhai account, you must write to 10% Ramesh Bhai's loan account. Okay, you must write to 10% Ramesh Bhai's loan account. Simply Ramesh Bhai cannot be written. We have to differentiate between the creditors of goods and loan. So loan word is compulsorily to be written. And what is the amount of loan borrowed? 10,000. Very good. Otherwise also when we borrow the money, do we receive the money when we borrow or do we pay the money?
Receive.
We receive the money when we borrow it, so it will come on receipt side, but be careful that don't forget to write loan account. Don't simply write Ramesh Bhai account. The word loan should be compulsorily written. Is that clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Now next one. Hussain, Pratap Nagar, Hussain. Cash purchase is 7,000.
Yes, sir. Purchase account debit to cash account.
Yes, goods comes in, debit what comes in, purchase account debit, cash goes out, credit what goes out to cash account. Now, where will we record it in the cash book?
Credit side.
Why?
Because we have purchased the goods.
Tell me from
Cash.
the journal entry, tell me from that.
Purchase account. By purchase account.
From journal entry, tell me the reason why will we write on the credit side?
Because cash
Because cash account is credited, so it will come on credit side. What is the date I should write in particulars column? What date should
26.
26. What should I write in particulars?
By purchase account.
By purchases account. Name of opposite account by purchases account. An amount?
7,000.
7,000. Very good. Otherwise also all of you tell me when we purchase, okay, cash purchase is when we purchase the goods, then will we receive the money or we have to pay the money when we purchase the goods?
Pay the money.
Pay the money, so it will come on payment side. Now the last transaction from Subhanpura. Okay, Dhairya Doshi. 3,000 deposited in Prime Cooperative Bank. First tell me the journal entry.
Sir, bank account debit to cash account.
Bank is the receiver, debit the receiver, bank account debit, cash goes out, credit what goes out to cash account. Now where will we record it in cash book?
Sir, credit side.
Why?
Sir, because it is a payment and cash account is credited.
Because cash account is credited in the journal entry, so in cash book we will write on credit side. What should I write in the date column?
28.
28. Particulars column.
By bank account.
Name of opposite account by bank account. An amount?
3,000.
3,000. Correct. Otherwise also we are depositing the money in the bank, means from the business the money is being paid in the bank. Okay, from business the money is being paid in the bank, so it will come on payment side. Is every one of you clear with this?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Raise your hand who is having, first of all of you lower your hands so that doubts people can raise the hands. All of you lower your hands. Now those who have any doubts in any of these 28 transactions and want me to explain it again, raise your hand. Yes, Dev Shah. Dev Shah, unmute yourself and ask the doubt.
No, sir, not doubt for answer.
Acha, okay, then lower your hand. Now all of you be attentive. How to do the balancing, understand it. Tell me one thing, can you pay more than you have in your pocket?
No.
No.
If suppose you go to purchase something in the market, you have 200 rupees in your pocket, can you pay to anyone more than 200 rupees?
No.
In short, can payments be more than receipts?
Yes.
Yes. No. No.
Means you can pay 300 out of 200.
No.
That's why first I asked you the question, if you go to purchase anything in the market, can you pay more than what you have in your pocket?
No.
So can payments be more than receipts?
No.
No.
Receipt side total will always be more in case of cash column. Repeat this. Receipt side total will always be more in cash column.
That is always total.
So all of you do it in calculator. 5,000. All of you do it in calculator. Receipt side total will always be doing first. 5,000 plus 3,008 plus 5, 13, 14,500, 17,500, 27,500. Do it in calculator. Do you get 27,500? Do it 5,000.
Yes,
All of you do it 5,000 plus 3,000 plus 5,000 plus 1,500 plus 3,000 plus 10,000. Do you all get 27,000?
27,500.
500.
Sorry, 1,500 is it? 27,500. All of you should write 27,500 on both the sides parallel to each other. You understand the meaning of parallel to each other?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All of you must write in the total 27,500 on both the sides parallel to each other, and always which side total will you do first?
Debit side.
Debit side total. Now directly do in calculator what I am saying. 27,500 is already there on the screen of your calculator or not?
Yes.
If it is not there, then put it again. Now directly do minus 2,000. What we are paying, we will minus. Do minus 2,000. Did you do that?
25,500.
Do minus 2,000 minus 800. Minus 4,000. You all are able to understand what I am telling you. Credit side amounts all you have to do minus. Then do minus 1,200. Minus 1,000 minus 200. Minus 3,000 minus 2,000. Minus 7,000 minus 3,000 and press equal to. What do you get?
3,300.
1 more time I
3,300.
One more time I repeat. Who is not clear, ask it to me and raise your hands. 27,500 minus 2,000 minus 800 minus 4,000 minus 1,200 minus 1,000 minus 200 minus 3,000 minus 2,000 minus 7,000 minus 3,000 will come to 3,300. Raise your hand who did not understand this. Everyone is clear with how is this balance amount obtained?
Yes, sir.
Now, which month is going on in this question? February, and 2015 is not a leap year. So what is the last date of February?
28.
So this balance will always write on the last day of the month. So in date column, write 28 and write by balance carried down C/D. What do you mean by C/D?
Carried
Closing
forward.
balance.
Carried down, or you can write C/F also. Both are correct. CF means carried forward, CD means carried down. Okay. Now, after the total on the opposite side, after February, which will be the next month?
March.
March.
So opposite side, after the total on the opposite side means receipt side. After the total on the opposite side means receipt side. Or if you write the next month's first date, 1st March 15. Okay, 1st March 15. And write down two balance brought down. Means February's closing balance will become March's opening balance. Do you understand this?
Yes, sir.
And in amount
Yes.
column write 3,300 again. Same thing you have to
Yes,
write
sir.
after the totals on the opposite side again. Now, raise your hand who asked me the doubt in the beginning why cash balance comes on the debit side. Someone asked me this doubt, na? Who was it? Someone asked me the doubt of first transaction. What was the name? Dhruvi, please unmute yourself.
Yes,
Dhruvi.
sir.
Now see, can you see that receipt side is always more than payment side?
Yes, sir.
So this closing balance of every month becomes the opening balance of next month, is it or not?
Yes, sir.
This is the reason we write opening balance on the debit side. Means this February's opening balance 5,000 would have been the closing balance of January.
January.
Did you understand this?
Yes, sir.
So that's the reason I made you write in the note that opening balance of cash will always come on the debit side, which will become clear from this last balancing part. Okay, is that clear now?
Yes, sir.
No. Anyone having any other doubts in this question, raise your hand. All are clear with this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, now tomorrow I will be taking up with which cash book? What did I tell you? After single columnar, I will directly take up with
3 column.
Three column.
Columnar.
3 columnar means cash, bank, and discount column. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So tomorrow in the beginning, first we have time to. Next class is at 6:45, right?
Yes.
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 Take up with the concept of contra entry today. I'll explain you what is contra entry. It's recording and shortcut method. I will explain you tomorrow. Okay. So all of you have left that space in the summary. I told you 4 or 5 pages in the beginning.
Yes, sir.
Over there, all of you give the heading contra entry. Now understand what is contra entry, and then its recording and shortcut method is also there that I will explain you tomorrow. Okay. See, contra entry is that entry. You understand the word contrast?
Yes, sir.
What is the meaning of contrast?
दो के बीच का अंतर.
Huh?
Two opposite
things.
Opposite, black and white. Black and white
Yes.
is contrast or not?
Yes.
So contra entry means contrast entry. Such an entry which come in cash book on both the opposite sides, debit side also and credit side also. That's why it is called contra entry. Once again, I repeat. Just now you have solved one illustration 1, right? Entirely. In entire illustration 1, either the thing was recorded on the receipt side or on the payment side, is it or not?
Yes.
In every transaction, either you made the entry on the receipt side or you made the entry on the
Credit side.
payment side.
Credit side.
Did you come across any entry which we have recorded on the both the sides?
No.
No.
Yes.
Did we come
Yes. 12.
Which one?
12.
But better, there were 2 transactions.
Okay.
There were 2 different transactions. Okay, commission received and brokerage paid. Did we write commission received on both the sides?
No.
Did we write brokerage paid on both the sides? No.
No.
So every transaction comes on one side only. But contra entry are such transactions which come on debit side of cash book also, credit side of cash book also. Contrast. That's why it is called contra entry. Did you understand the meaning and concept?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Once again, contra entry word is derived from the word
Contrast.
contrast. Contrast means
Opposite things.
opposite. So contra entry is the entry which comes on opposite sides in cash book, debit side also and
Credit
Credit
side.
side.
Right side also.
but only when we make 2 columnar cash book or 3 columnar cash book. Then only. Okay. Which are the 2 transactions which come on both the sides? Cash deposited in the bank and cash withdrawn from the bank. What is the journal entry if we deposit the cash in the bank?
Cash goes bank is the receiver, cash goes out.
Yes, bank is the receiver, debit the receiver, bank account debit, cash goes out, credit what goes out to cash account. So one account affected is bank and the other account affected is cash.
Yes.
Now when we make two columnar cash book, we will be making cash column also and bank column also.
Yes.
Yes.
That's why this entry will come on both the sides. Okay, because it affects cash account also and bank account also, so it will come on both the sides. In one side it will come in cash column and in the other side it will come in bank column. Did you understand this, everyone?
Yes.
Yes.
Similarly, what is the journal entry if we withdraw cash from the bank?
Cash comes in. Cash account.
Cash comes in, bank is the giver.
Yes, cash comes in, debit what comes in, cash account debit, bank is the giver, credit the giver to bank account. Again, does it affect cash account as well as bank account or not?
Yes.
So again, it will come in both the sides of cash book. In one side, it will come in cash column and the other side, it will come in bank column. Did you understand the concept of what is a contra entry?
Yes.
Yes.
Now, how will it come on both the sides? I will explain you tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Okay, how will it be recorded on both the sides? And there is one shortcut method of doing it. That I will explain you tomorrow. So just now, all of you just write down the meaning of contra entry. Write down the transactions. I hope everyone is writing it in the summary.
Yes, sir.
The transactions for which the entry comes on both the sides of cash book. The transactions for which the entry comes on both the sides of cash book, that is debit side as well as credit side, are called contra entry transactions. Any confusion with the meaning of contra entry transaction?
No.
There are, next paragraph, there are two such transactions. Okay, only two such transactions are there which will come on both the sides. One, cash deposited in the bank, and second, cash withdrawn from the bank. So meaning of contra entry is clear. Now how to record it we will see in the next lecture. I hope all of you are clear with today's points.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let's wind up with today's lecture. Yes, here it is, question 6. Tell me.
In that 9th, 22 and 27.
Okay. Tell me what will be the ninth transaction. Read it loudly.
Check of 3,000 received from Bhargavi, which is endorsed in favor of Parth.
Now, first of all, we received it from Bhargavi.
Yes.
And then endorsed means we have given the same check to Parth. we have received a check from Bhargavi 3,000. 3,000 is what we have to pay to Parth also. So same check of 3,000 we gave to Parth. That is called endorsed. You understand the transaction?
Yes, sir.
Now, here the first entry will be, since the money is not deposited in the bank, check is received and we directly give it to Parth. So can I say Parth is the receiver and Bhargavi is the giver?
Yes.
Parth is the receiver, debit the receiver, Parth account debit, Bhargavi is the giver, credit the giver to Bhargavi account. Are we receiving any cash in our business?
No.
Whenever this check is presented in the bank, will Bhargavi directly pay to Parth or not? Bhargavi's check we have passed on to Parth. So Parth will directly collect the money from Bhargavi now. Richita?
Yes.
Is our business receiving any money?
No.
Is our business paying any money?
No.
So it will not come in cash book, it will come in journal proper.
We have to write the note for this.
You have to write the note for this that it will be recorded in journal proper. And what journal entry will write in journal proper? Parth account debit to Bhargavi account.
But sir, we have received from Bhargavi. So we are
We have
giving.
not received. After receiving the check, we directly gave it to Parth. So did we receive any money actually?
No.
Endorse means on the back side of the check we have written that this check is transferred in favor of Parth. So now Parth will directly get the money.
Okay.
So we are not receiving practically any money.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. Got it. Yes.
Yeah. I'll be anyway doing it in further lectures, but since you have asked the doubt, we can clarify it right now. So Parth is the receiver, Bhargavi is the giver, it will have no entry in cash book. Okay? Yes. Which other one you said?
22nd.
Now withdrawn from the bank for payment of electricity bill. Right now we have only withdrawn the money, we have not paid the bill. Is it or not?
Yes.
Right now, if you remember, I explained you in second chapter that if you withdraw the money for office expenses, you don't incur the expense right now, you have just withdrawn the money.
Yes.
So cash comes in, debit what comes in, cash account debit, bank is the giver, credit the giver to bank account. It's a contra entry which I explained you right now.
Understood.
Okay, it'll come on both the sides of cash book. Which other transaction you said?
27th.
27th. Bank informed that check issued by Smith is dishonored. Dishonored means reverse it because the things will go back. Okay, we have received the check from Smith and it is dishonored means bounced. He does not have money in the bank, so bank has returned the check back to us. So you'll reverse the entry of 24. Means we will give this check back to Smith. So it will come on the payment side by Smith account, and in bank column you'll write 1400.
Means in 24th transaction, we will record it on the receipt side, and 27th we have to record it in
Reverse and
payment
write
side.
it on the payment side. But one difference is there. In 24th, when you record on the receipt side, you write to sales account. But in 27th, when you write on the payment side, you write by Smith account.
Okay.
Okay, because we always have to write the name of the person. The money becomes receivable from that person only. Goods are not returned. He has to pay us a different check.
Okay.
So credit side, you not write reverse and write by sales account. You write by Smith account.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Any other doubts in this?
No.
Okay. Yes. Anyone else having any other doubts? Shall I wind up with the session?
Yes, sir.
Bye everyone.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye.